Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. Saint Bridget of Sweden. Focus. When the sun rose, they were scorched. In this, our story too. In a moment of faith, of inspiration, a person or community breaks the shackles of the past and walks into the freedom of a new way of living. After a while, about 2 months for the Israelites escaping slavery, according to the first reading, panic sets in and complaints and a longing for former comforts. It was tough for the Israelites in the desert. They were hungry. Their faith ran out. They spoke against God, saying, "Can God spread a table in the wilderness?" In contrast, we could be good seed. We see a woman like Bridget of Sweden and her family. They lived their faith and stuck it out when trials came. Until her husband's death, Bridget's life helps us to appreciate what today we could describe as an authentic conjugal spirituality, a sign of that healthy family life. One of their children, Catherine, is also venerated as a saint. When widowed, Bridget gave away her possessions and did many charitable works. She also founded an order of nuns and monks under an abbess. This system of separate cloisters within one monastery was not rare in the Middle Ages, and the leadership of an abbess was respected. Fruit. When everyone in the room believes in Jesus, it is easy to believe and hope. May I believe and hope even when the people around me question my faith.